If you're thinking about starting a business, or maybe you already have one and you just haven't made it official yet, one of the best things that you can do for yourself is set up an LLC. Actually, as I'm recording this video, it is now actually my 2-year anniversary since I officially started my LLC. And so I wanted to break down in this video kind of what led me to making that decision, making my business legit, talk about what an LLC even really is and what it actually means, and if setting up an LLC might be the next best step for you. This video is going to break down everything that you need to know so that you feel confident in that next step. Because when I first started my LLC, I had no idea what I was doing and I made a couple little mistakes along the way. So I will be sharing all of that in this video. Tailor Brands is the tool that I recommend to all of my students that I work with who are at this phase in their business and wanting to make it official. The reason being is they don't just handle the LLC formation, they also give you an entire business dashboard with tools to actually grow your business. Before we actually go through the setup, let's quickly talk about why an LLC even matters. When you're first starting out, it can feel like something you don't necessarily need right away. That's personally how I approached it. I didn't start my LLC until I was about 4 months into starting my business. And at that point, I was starting to make over $1,000 in profit every single month. And I figured I might as well make this official and make it a little bit more legit for a couple main reasons. One is having an LLC is going to separate your personal and your business assets. Basically, what this means is if something happens with your business, whether it's some form of dispute, chargeback, legal issue, your personal money, your car, your house, your personal assets aren't going to be put at risk because they are separate from your business. The second thing is that having an LLC helps with taxes in the sense that you are going to have your business taxes separate from your personal taxes. Because everything is separate, it makes handling things like your business deductions and expenses so much simpler. I know a lot of people hold off on forming an LLC, myself included, because they think it's too expensive, it's too complicated, or it's just really not needed. Some of the common myths that I see surrounding an LLC is that one, LLCs are just for big businesses only, and this couldn't be further from the truth. I think that's one of the most confusing points about whether or not you should form an LLC is you might be thinking that your operation that you're doing right now is more of a side hustle, that it's too tiny, it's not really a business, so to speak. But even your side hustle, if you're like myself and you have maybe a print on demand business, having an LLC is just equally as important for you. So yes, even the small side hustles can benefit from having an LLC. Another myth that I see is that it's super expensive to form an LLC. I think anytime we think of like documents and paperwork and legal things, it automatically has a big price tag that we stick on top of it. But the truth is that many states actually let you file for your LLC for less than $100. And with Tailor Brands, they actually handle everything for you. So peace of mind, well worth it. Okay, so we know why an LLC is important. Now, let me show you exactly how to actually set one up. Jumping to Tailor Brands, I'm going to start by just clicking Form an LLC. What you're going to start off by doing is choosing your LLC state. So for me, I am in Maryland. Of course, for this, you are going to choose the state that you operate in. Next, we're going to add our business name and make sure it is available. So I am going to just say Taylor Posada, check availability, and it's available. From there, we're going to start setting up our business profiles. Answering these questions is going to help make sure that you have everything that you need for your business. So if you're just an idea, taking the first steps, you're about to launch, or maybe you're already in business and taking this next leap. You'll explain your type of industry and what does your business offer? Are you selling physical goods, professional services, or you also have the option to type in your own. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Yes, no, or not sure. Nothing has to be perfect here. You can always change your mind later. Do you have an annual income goal for your business? This is important because it also might come down into your tax elections later on. Next, you'll enter in your business zip code and where will you serve customers? Online, a brick and mortar. This would be like if you have a physical shop somewhere. So the examples, retail shop, bakery, auto shop, etc. Or on the go, maybe you are traveling and providing services in somebody's home or a different establishment. For myself, I am an online business, so I would select online and you would select anything that applies to you. You also have the option to select anything else that you're planning to do in your business. Of course, this doesn't have to be super concrete right now. However, I think this gives a good idea of other options that are available that Tailor Brands can support you with when you get to these next phases and the growth of your business. For example, if you want professional assistance with maybe your logo, if you have questions about trademarks and trademarking, insurance, business insurance, your EIN number, taxes, accounting, or maybe if you aspire to have your own domain, your own website, all of that is available for you here. And if you've already started your business and you're just now making it official, you might already have some of these things that are on this list here. This is making sure that you are dotting all of your I's, crossing all of your T's, and essentially you want to scratch off anything on this list that you already have. For example, maybe you already do have a logo, maybe you already do have taxes and accounting taken care of, maybe you already have a business email. You would go through and check off these things so that you are, again, making sure that you have everything that you do need to have or would want to have for your business. When you are forming your LLC with Taylor Brands, you also have the ability to join their business coaching program for free. This is a 12-week coaching program that is going to help you just gain expertise in things like taxes, compliance, digital marketing. You'll have access to their on-demand master course, and you'll also get a bonus of creating a personalized business plan for you. I will say in my last 2 years of having my business, I have never regretted investing into education when it comes to business. And if you're forming an LLC, you actually get all of this education for free by forming your LLC with Taylor Brands. So I just wanted to share that as a resource because I think this stuff can honestly feel overwhelming. If you're feeling overwhelmed by it, trust that you are not alone. It is very normal because this is stuff that we just often aren't really taught about or educated about. At least I wasn't. So you do have that as a resource if you decide to form your LLC with Taylor Brands. Now it's time to determine which LLC products are for you. One of the things is getting an EIN number, and this is something that you have to do alongside your LLC. Fun fact, you can't get your EIN number until you get your LLC. So that's where I had some confusion in the process because you get one, but you can't then get the other until you have the other one. So there's a little bit of a delay. There's a time gap in between the two. And if you don't want to have to worry about the headache of that time gap and making sure that you have what you need when you need it, Taylor Brands can actually help you with your EIN. And what they will do is actually file for it as soon as your LLC is registered. If you prefer to do it yourself, you can, of course, just click I'll handle it myself and take care of that on your own time. But I highly recommend just making it less of a headache and have them help you get your EIN. Another thing that you'll want to consider is a registered agent. A registered agent is a designated individual or a business entity that must be available during business hours to handle formal documents for your business. You can be your own registered agent, but keep in mind that this is public information. So if you are operating potentially out of your own residence or something of that nature and you're your own registered agent, then your physical address would also be public information with that. That is where it is very beneficial to have a registered agent because it is going to be separate. You can use Taylor Brands for your registered agent, or you can take it upon yourself and appoint a different registered agent. Now, with having an LLC, you also want to make sure that you are compliant in your LLC. You can have Taylor Brands handle all of that, or you can handle that yourself. One of the last things with finishing up setup is Taylor Brands actually has an LLC formation kit that you can get, and it is essentially a binder that is going to have all of your important business information inside of it. This will keep everything that you need in one place for you. You will have all of your hard copies of your legal documentation. This is great for keeping record and also keeping everything that you need together in one place for your tax paperwork. Just having it all in one place in one binder, I cannot recommend enough. If you are just looking to form your LLC, you can do that completely for free with Taylor Brands. Of course, you are just paying for your state fees to file and get that LLC. Or if you are looking for a little bit additional help with things like compliance, then you are going to want to consider their essential plan, which is what's recommended. Or if you want to take things to the next level, they also have their elite plan. And this includes additional things like having a domain and website. After you've gone through your setup, chosen your plan, you are now able to jump into your business dashboard, which, as you can see, there are tons of different tools that you have at your fingertips, anything that you could possibly need for the growth of your business. Some of my favorite tools include one, being able to get a business email. So if you were looking for more of a custom email that is a little bit more professional with your domain, you can set up all of that directly here. You're also able to jump in and take a look at where your EIN number is going to be established. So if you're just starting off this process, you're going to get that LLC. Taylor Brands is then going to file that EIN number for you, and you'll be able to access all of that information here, which this actually allows you then to set up your business banking appropriately. This was another huge mistake when I first started my business. Prior to starting my LLC, I was not treating anything like a business in my business, and I was intermingling my personal finances with my business expenses and income, and it made for a huge headache come tax time, as well as when I actually started working professionally with a bookkeeper. It took a lot of time and also a lot of money to get everything separated and just clear for me to be able to operate more professionally and like a business. So having a business bank account is something that I highly recommend, because that is something that I did not set up initially. In order to set up that business bank account, you will use that EIN number, and then you can actually just go down to business banking, where you can get additional information on setting up that business bank account, as well as having a business credit card. As a business, things are going to look a little bit differently when it comes to taxes and accounting. I think we all are always trying to get our maximum refund possible when it comes to tax time. So working with a professional who understands your business and your expenses can help you actually get the most deductions, and in turn get the maximum refund possible when you are filing your taxes. Of course, a lot of the tools I'm mentioning are all very business income, expense, accounting, taxes, bookkeeping related, just because from my experience, those are the areas that I had the most overwhelm with, and I had to learn a lot about how all of that works. So those have been my favorite tools when it comes to the business dashboard here. But if you're interested in, of course, more than just that, there are so many tools at your fingertips when you do form your LLC with Taylor Brands. Looking back, getting my LLC is something that I genuinely put off for so long because I just didn't know what I didn't know. And the thought of what I didn't know felt more scary than trying to learn. But I can't emphasize enough that once I did it, it has given me so much peace of mind. Once I took that leap, I quickly realized that the only thing I wish I would have done differently is just that I had done it sooner. I think currently one of the best things that you can do in this lifetime is diversify your income streams, whether that is with print on demand, selling on Etsy, freelancing, offering services, coaching. No matter what it is that you might be building for yourself and your income streams, making your business official with an LLC is going to protect and only help contribute to the growth of what you're building. And if you are an aspiring print on demand entrepreneur like myself, then I want to invite you into my full program, Plan Scale Profit. Plan Scale Profit is the full walkthrough of how to get from 0 to 10,000 plus sales with Etsy and print on demand. This full program is inside of my community, the POD Connection. I like to think of it like an amusement park. You get into the amusement park, which is the POD Connection, with your ticket to enter, and then you can get on all the rides. And all the rides are the plan phase, the scale phase, and the profit phase. Because we're talking about business in this video, the profit phase goes over everything that you need to know about business. I share everything that I know and everything that I've learned along the way, from forming to running a legally legit business. If that is something that interests you, I will have a link in the description box below, as well as a link for you to get started with Taylor Brands today and form your LLC so that you can get everything set up and in place for you in the right way. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions. I do my best to respond to as many comments as possible. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and boop the subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any future videos. And as always, I hope that you are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.